Hey guys, it's Jen here, and today I am going to show you my very first ever Aldi haul shopping video. Today I went grocery shopping and I got a ton of groceries, as you can see behind me, and we are going to look at each one and I'm going to show you what I got and how much I spent, which I spent a little more this week than I normally do, but we're a meat and potatoes family, so we're always going to spend more than most people, but I show you how to shop budget friendly when you are married to a meat and potatoes man. So let's check out my haul and let me show you what I got.
Just got back from shopping at Aldi's and I was going to show you my grocery haul today. This is my first ever grocery haul video and I'm going to go over all the things that I got and tell you exactly how much that I spent. I shopped at Aldi this week. So let's get started. On my groceries this week, I spent $132 and some change at Aldi, and I bought enough stuff that is going to last our family of four. We have 4 grown adults in our family, and what I bought is going to last about a week and a half. So let me show you what I got. I got cilantro. Cilantro was on sale for 79 cents, and I bought limes. Avocados were on sale this week for 39 cents each, so I bought 3. We use those a lot for snacks and for Mexican food, which we are having Mexican tonight, but they're not all the way ripe, so I don't think I'll be having avocado tonight. Then I got some corn. They had their green onions on sale for 69 cents, I think. They had the personal size watermelons on sale for $2.99, so I bought one of those. I got a pineapple, some asparagus, a bag of Granny Smith green apples. Of course, we always have to have milk. Then I got some storage bags. I bought some olive oil, some white vinegar, some apple cider vinegar, and some more Parmesan cheese in the jar. I use that a lot for when I have to add extra Parmesan into a meal. I use that. We got feminine things, potato chips, tortilla chips. I don't ever buy potato chips anymore just because I don't eat them. So I just use tortilla chips because that's what I snack on most. Then we got some vegetable oil, some grape jelly, carrots, a whole bag of yellow onions, sour cream, 2 bunches of bananas, some onion powder. I bought 2 boxes of Jiffy corn muffin mix because I love this stuff. I got my husband some maple and brown sugar oatmeal, chocolate chips because I'm going to make some cookies this week. I'm going to make Joanna Gaines chocolate chip cookies because she says hers is the best, so we're going to give them a try and taste test them. I bought some crackers because we're going to have chili this week, some ketchup, 2 packages of butter because we use a lot of butter in our house. Then I bought the can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. This is basically like Rotel, but it is the Aldi brand, and I love this. We use it to make salsa. Then of course I bought cheese. We eat a lot of cheese, but I don't like to buy the pre-shredded just because it has some caking agent on it and it does not melt well, so I buy the blocks because I shred them myself. Some cheese slices, some strawberries because I'm going to make a salad, and this is the thing that I'm most excited about. I found out that Aldi's carries grass-fed beef, and we just recently changed from eating just regular ground beef to grass-fed because I read some things that were pretty alarming about hamburger meat and the type of cows that are used for regular hamburger meat, so we switched to grass-fed. And Aldi's has this, I think this is $4.49 a package, which is a really good deal because it's a 1-pound package. Then at our local grocery store, I buy their bacon just because that's the one that my husband prefers. And then I got 2 different types of chicken breasts from Aldi's, chicken breast tenders. I got some pork chops, toilet paper, brown sugar, some taco mix because we're having tacos tonight for dinner. And then on this side we have Aldi's beans because, like I said, we're having chili this week, so I put 2 different kinds of beans in our chili. Then I restocked our canned goods. We needed carrots and green beans. Then I got some hamburger buns. These are always a good deal at Aldi's. Bought some red potatoes. These are my favorite potatoes. They're the new potatoes, but they're the huge ones. These are my favorite potatoes to use for roasted potatoes or French fries or whatever, and we go through a lot of potatoes, so I tend to buy a lot of those. This is my favorite salad mix. Kayla and I have fallen in love with the baby spinach and arugula, and it's really good. You can use it with the strawberries and pickled onions and my homemade poppy seed dressing, which I'm going to be sharing this week on the blog. Then I also got, they had grapes on sale this week for 99 cents a pound. So I bought 1.5 pounds of grapes. And then I bought some tomatoes and 3 dozen eggs. So as you can see, I got quite a bit of groceries for $132. I honestly think this is a great deal considering, especially since I was able to grab some grass-fed beef. We are a meat-eating family, so if you notice, there is a lot of meat. Some people don't eat a lot of meat, and that's okay. But in our family, I'm married to a meat and potatoes man, so we always have meat and potatoes for most meals. So there you go. That is my Aldi's haul this week. And you guys tune in and make sure to visit the blog jenaroundtheworld.com because I'm going to be sharing some recipes this week using some of these ingredients, and some of them already are on the blog, like my chili recipe is on the blog, but I have 2 or 3 new recipes coming this week, so you guys be on the lookout for that. And I hope that I can do another haul for you guys, and we're going to start talking about meal planning soon, so you guys check it out and stop by the blog jenaroundtheworld.com. And until then, see you next week.